stupid. Joel, this is the biggest buck I've ever seen. Turn the light on. Oh my gosh. Look at the buck. It is freaking 5:23. Look at his ears. Oh my gosh.
I gotta go.
Oh my gosh. He's looking really happy. I walked over here to open the door so I could record not through the glass because it's just blurry. And I don't know where he went.
Look at here, it's another big buck. He's staring right at us.
Oh, that's the same one! Guys, he's, oh my gosh, he is
That
back.
was the one that lady got scared of.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I took her potty and then
Duh.
the deer jumped out.
Oh,
In the bushes.
my word. Oh, dear. What are you staring at? You think this is a staring contest or something? I'll beat you. No, you'll beat me.
He looks angry now.
I'm always scared that they're, look, my hand's shaking. I'm always scared that they're going.
Let's go get a knife and kill it.
Oh my gosh, Lincoln.
That is a good idea to eat it.
You know, I've actually had deer and it's disgusting.
Where?
I watched someone butcher a deer one time. It's true.
Wow.
And then you butcher the beer. A deer.
Oh. What I was gonna say is I'm always scared they're gonna charge the house. Or like, like break through the patio.
Okay, I'm gonna close the door.
Or like accidentally get inside the house and like just like go nuts on and buck all over the place.
He goes downstairs to each of our rooms. We all
Uses his antlers and just like throws feathers all over the place.
Lady just like,
he's on the top of her antlers going. She's like, save
Okay, Lincoln. Golly, Miss Molly, jump over that fence.
me! Wait, scare it one more time and I'll ruin Oh, she was like,
Oh, he's getting ready. Oh, grass is always greener on the other side, they say.
he's just eating the.
He's going nowhere. We have a change of scenery, change of meal plan.
By Cody, 6 feet apart. You can eat me 6 feet apart. Merry Christmas. I really wanted you. Hey, it's Christmas. Haha. Why don't you eat me? And then there's like fishies, frozen in ice, and same with the shark. And then here's a igloo. And then I don't know what else to do on the ice, so I just put cracks in it.
I love it.
Usually the shoe logo is Vans off the wall, but since we had to do something for Christmas, I just said Vans off the ice.
And
Good
I
job.
Think this was the bottom of the shoe, and then ice skate.
Someone in Olivia's class tested positive. We don't know who it was or if she was in like super close contact. Olivia stayed home from school because we're waiting for her to get tested. So Olivia has to stay home for the next couple of days. I don't know why, Joel, they make you have to wait a couple of days. Maybe it's for it to set in if it's going to set in.
Verify that it's in your system, give it time.
Oh.
But because Olivia and all of her classmates wear masks, they qualify for the instant test.
Oh,
they don't
cool.
have to quarantine the 14 days unless they get a positive test.
So basically, Olivia stayed home all day and helped me do chores. What kind of chores have you been doing?
The house.
Laundry. She's learning how to master laundry. She's been doing dishes. Tonight, Olivia made dinner, which was chili. I mean, basically it's just warming up what's in a can, but you've done a really good job. And I've enjoyed having you home with me, so thanks.
What's funny is I've come home and I've been like, oh, the dishes are done. Thanks, Mom. Like, Olivia did that. Even better.